Hi there, fans. I'm the PC Expert Amateur. We're going to take a look at the FDXGYH AM5 backplane CPU bracket, or CPU backplane bracket, or CPU backplate. I'm not really sure what's the right way to describe that, but that's what they called it. And here it is. So you've got a thin, translucent piece of plastic that will protect the motherboard from the metal of this plate. And these are for screwing in the bolts on the other side, the front side of the motherboard. And that's what the back of it looks like. It is very, very sturdy. I have no doubt that it will be able to withstand the pressure applied to it. And of course, it comes with 2 of these mounts and 4 bolts. And it looks like it'll be perfectly fine to do the job. It's not as fancy looking as what you might see on the motherboard originally, but if you need one or you need a replacement for one, this can certainly do the job. The only thing that you might want to do to potentially help yourself, and I'm not necessarily advising this, but I'm suggesting that if you want to make it a little bit safer perhaps for the back of the motherboard, you could put some double tape, the puffy kind, on the plastic so that it forms an additional barrier. But you want to make sure that it's not so thick that it's going to interfere with the mounting and the screwing in of everything. So keep that in mind. It is 104 by 67 by 25 millimeters. And the hole in the middle is approximately 25 millimeters each side. This ran me about $10, so I think that's a reasonable price. I'm not an expert at pricing things like this, but it doesn't seem to be an excessive amount of money to expect to pay. Finally, the materials are an alloy of steel, as well as the plastic and the thin film insulating layer, or I call it a plastic card with a hole cut in the middle. Yeah. So that's it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.